Hey everyone, it's Lauren with the Parish Group here, back with another edition of the Slate 101 series. Today we're going to walk through how to send a deliver mailing to students based on their geographic proximity to your institution. First, we'll want to head to the recipients list. I'm going to pull a subquery filter for students who have an address within 100 miles of our zip code. We're going to join to address by rank overall, and then we're going to filter by geographic proximity. We want to make sure that we're pulling the one that says mileage from zip code. I will type in TPG's zip code, and we'll do within 100 miles. I only want to send this to prospects, so we're going to pull a filter on status, and I will select prospects. Next, we'll pull whichever exports we're interested in having. I'm going to do preferred, first and last name, and then email and phone number. And then since this is an invite to an event, I'm going to edit the message, and I'm going to link our event registration link here. The Parish Group is a Slate Gold partner, and we'd love to help you implement, audit, or optimize your instance. Reach out at success@parishgroup.com or call us at 828-505-3000.